ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good morning, babe. Oh, alis na sila. Kagabi hindi ko na na-close yung vlog. Nabanggit ko naman, di ba, na aalis sila? Punta sila ng Melbourne.
Near Melbourne.
Near Melbourne. To what, Holly?
To watch the horse race.
Opa. Yeah. Sila ni Kuya TJ and yung pinsan ni Jan. So si Jan magda-drive. Right, my love?
Yeah.
Are you having nuggets?
Yeah. Because I cannot.
It's only 10. Nag-yogurt na to.
Ano?
10:25. Put mabango daw.
Oh, you've got animal neighbour, but just in case.
You know what hug?
Nuggets for breakfast.
For breakfast?
Okay, have me too, please.
Si Sak mag-nuggets daw siya for breakfast. Then ano pa lang? 10:20. Di ba natulog si Sak kila Taj? Ready na sila.
What?
Shoes at the gallery.
Where?
My white ones.
Ha 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 ha.
Zach put them in there.
Yung New Balance siya nasa caravan.
Unorganised shit face.
Cooper's jumper.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, mag-hot na naman si Kuya.
Well,
You
there's
know,
nothing wrong with the hat.
you look nice without hat,
I look
Tyra.
better with the hat.
No,
You won't need it tonight.
that's right. Don't wear hat, Kuya. You look nice without
I look
that.
better with the hat.
No, you're not. Makakalbo ka agad. Hindi, na-avoid niya yung ano.
Nuggets and chips.
Nuggets and chips.
I want chips.
Siya magluluto. Master niya na to eh. Sila ni Kuya.
Dad. I need to sit.
Ha?
I need to sit.
Why? Still hard? Yeah. It's too hard.
He's gonna play the tournament.
Oh, alis na sila. See ya.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
What? Oh, sorry.
See ya. Love you. See you, yeah.
Alright,
Careful, enjoy.
Those three things there. That's my t-shirt.
Alright, so...
Right.
Ako,
Right.
Brad, carefully, bye.
Yeah.
Ako
Always,
mag-ano ko.
yeah.
Yeah. Mag-live ako, guys. Mag-live tayo. Luto na pala yung chips and nuggets ng dalawa.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 nuggets.
6 nuggets.
1, 2, 3.
I'm good, thank you.
6 chips. So 6.
Okay. How many nuggets do you have, Saki?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wow, that's a lot.
Mhm.
Okay. So that's lunch now.
That's fine.
I don't have my phone. 11. Pero pala ako sa aking tindahan. Magla-live selling muna tayo, ha? And then, we'll see kung makapag-vlog ako ngayon or i-continue ko na lang bukas ang ating vlog. Kasi si Sacha at si Holly, naglalaro sila ng PS. And si Kuya and si Jan, wala naman dito. So, mag-live na lang muna tayo. Okay? Oh!
Searching for something that ain't lost.
Ito is the This is your breakfast.
Our lines cross. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter. While wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken. Misunderstandings.
Got your way last night.
Yeah.
Got your
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, well.
Remember?
Here she is, here she is.
Papa,
What's going on?
Papa, 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 Papa.
What are you gonna get? Yeah, on the side of she said.
Yeah, but it never tells us to leave with a vaccine. Mom,
Huh?
what time do you go home?
What time I go?
After dance.
6:30, maybe 7. But I'm gonna cook the dinner early.
Yeah, you do that.
I'll cook dinner early.
Maggie, you.
Did you pick her up from school?
Yeah. I'm picking her up today because she has
Dad, I want
dance.
$3.
Good morning. It's Monday.
Ice cream doesn't make it fun.
I mean, the big kids one. It's $3 or $4. What happened?
Well, you want 5, Bubba?
Yeah,
Yeah.
2 gold coins of $2. Huh?
Yeah, and
3 bucks, Jack?
Wow, look at him.
Where's my cat?
What will we?
The
Why you
canteen.
done that?
Very hot today, guys.
What's wrong?
It's gonna
Nung nag-Melbourne si John, eto na yung next vlog natin.
Mommy, I want that one.
No, this is Curry Baba.
Like, where's that one? Look.
Saka is blue. No.
Next week.
No more next week. This is the week. Ayaw niya nang gamitin yung lunchbox niya. Feeling niya, mama na siya. Pinipilit ko na pala yung oven kasi mag-roast ako ng maaga. Kasi hapon na tayo makaka-uwi kasi may dancing si Holly na 2 dancing niya today. So, hapon na ako niya makaka-uwi. Late na.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I
Mama.
Ano, just leave it. Probably TikTok na naman siya sa front. No, just for you. She's eating. Thank you. Minasay niya si daddy niya. So, may $5 siya. Kasi doon sa MJ, doon sa dance lesson niya. Oh, so you got $8. So, may $3 siya for ice cream. Tapos, yung $5, hindi niya ito ubusin ng $5. I-spend yan na pera sa canteen doon sa MJ kasi may mga lollies sila. Always yung mga bata, yung mga bata, syempre ma-attract doon sa mga lollies na tinda nila. May canteen sila doon. May cupcakes. Kasi syempre yung mga bata, gutom din sila after ng school, di ba? So, may canteen sila doon. So, yung boys, bibigyan din ng $3 pang ice cream nila kasi mainit nga yun as in.
It's gonna be
38 degrees. 38 degrees. Ha?
My teeth hurt. Sinabi ko ba, pinapainit ko na yung oven. Pinipihit ko na para sa gagawin kong roast.
Do you want me to leave the skin? Okay. Kasi sa gusto niya may skin yung pig. Kinakain
I
niya.
don't want one pack.
Ha?
I don't want one pack.
You know what, Bobby? What you have to do is just this.
Ah.
Easy.
Dad.
Didn't she, Holly? She took it.
What?
Think you're sneaky?
Oh, I wasn't really honest. Battery.
You know what I do with this what I do?
What?
Where's the answer? Oh yeah, I said it. 1992, Chona was that snow.
No, you can't.
No, he does.
Yes, he does.
What, see?
Once you heard the door.
When you're outside again and I'm in here, I'm gonna
Ollie.
hide in a different place.
What make you taller, big boy? You're not allowed to wear them. Mom, do you have cold ice?
Yeah.
Can you put some in my food?
Yeah, hold
No.
it around the back of it.
There's only one.
I'll do it, Zach.
Alright, Baba.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, there's two of mine.
No, you have to.
I have two of these because it makes it cold, like cold.
Look.
Wait, can I see my mouth? No, that's good. Well, that'll be perfect for that for me.
Yeah.
Dad. Come here. Where'd you get them from?
I think from Shein.
Shane. She has a whole bag of them.
8 lang yung pwede kong ilagay dito sa beauty bag natin. From Shein ito, guys. Okay, kuya. Ito, binili ko sa She's Apples nung pumunta ko nung bumili tayo ng bread. Ah? Wow. Yeah. No, it's alright.
Looks small on me.
Smashing hard.
What are these?
I think it's like yogurt.
Alright then.
You don't like that one? The bullet? Okay. Si Kuya, ayaw niya raw ito.
I don't eat much.
You don't eat much?
Because he's tried with other people.
I'm full.
You're full.
Here's one of these. This is right over.
You touch it so?
This is
Really? Oh, Tyron's real strong now. Look at him, big muscle man.
It's got water in it. What's the time, Dad?
Yes, come here.
Where is it?
There.
That's not right.
Yeah, but it's only an hour, so just down 1 hour.
It's not. Yeah, Mum.
7:37, mate.
Yeah.
That's what, see? 7:37.
That's not early.
Oh, you got a nice cup of water today, buddy.
Yeah.
Wuggy wuggy.
Daddy, daddy.
James, right.
Thank you. Si Sok ang naglagay ng ice and water for Holly. Nice and cold.
Huh?
Nice and cold. Okay, put in your bag, please.
At the
Do you want me to put your lollies here? I'll put your lollies in the shape, okay? It's easy for you. Even your Oreo here.
I think you did the wrong one.
What? Ah, that's alright. Just this one. Okay, so pala.
This one.
Okay, I'm just gonna. This is sachet pala. And this is yours.
I'll put it in my laptop.
Ah, that. Oh, you want 2 lunch bags. Okay. Ah, this is only for lunch. Okay. Dalawa ang dadalhin niyang bag. Arte-arte. Ito lang for lunch and this is the snack. Do you want apple? Kasi may fruits din siya dun eh. Buti pa si Sak, dalawa-dalawa yung lunch bag. Yung isa, nagbabawas ng snack. Si TJ. That's for Zachary here.
Oh, feel that. I gotta put my shoes on. One thing.
Okay. Baba, where's your bag? Kuya, where's your lunch bag? Where?
Don't I have one?
Yeah, that's TJ pala, kuya.
Where's mine?
Yeah, that's TJ, sir.
Oh, I can just use that one. No.
Come on, Muchi.
What's the matter with it?
I know. Just
Black and orange. Where?
because of this one. Okay lang kayo. Put this one, Chuck. Ah, you don't want this one. Okay,
I have it.
okay, for your
Oh, I have it.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road.
Let's go. It's so beautiful, Holly. TJ.
Cross over borders.
Come on. Let's go.
And it's all for you.
here.
It's all for you.
The time's wrong.
It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping, 'cause you fear the night. And days without eating, 'cause it ain't enough for two. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
What's the other one about?
DJ.
It's all for you.
Huh?
Did it all.
I'm gonna do the rolls now.
See, you can pick me
Wait,
up.
Holly.
Yeah, I'll pick you up.
It's not easy.
Okay, nakaalis na yung mga bata. Hinatid ni Jan sa kung saan sila pipick upin ng bus. Ngayon, gawin ko na yung aking i-roast. Kasi, para may dinner kami mamaya. Hiwang muna pala ako ng patatas. Tsaka pumpkins. Carrots. Kasi, mag-roast din tayo ng veggies. Or also carrots, pumpkin.
When it is freezing, I will keep you warm. I will hold you closer so you don't feel the cold. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Ilipat ko to kasi hindi siya kasya dito sa maliit na pan. So, dito tayo sa square kong baking pan. Okay natin ito dito. Lagyan ko muna siya ng baking paper.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fit.
Okay na to. Ayan. Isa lang ko muna to. First time natin mag-roast ngayong taon. Ito pa yung isa sa part ng baka ng family dyan. Kailangan ko muna ng paper towel. Nakasta kasi yung paper towel ko dun sa laundry room. Okay. Tusukan ko muna siya. Para pumasok yung ating ilalagay na dressing dito. Then, after natin siyang saktan, mamasahihin natin siya. Ganun lang naman, di ba? Masahe, rub. Tapos yung pinagtusukan nyo, pwede nyo siyang tusuk-tusukin din ng kamay para makapasok yung ating seasoning dyan. Kita ba? Yan. Then, yung kanyang likod. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, now, ligpitin natin yung mga ginamit ni Holly. Then, magva-vacuum, magpupunas, and mag-edit ako. Then, meron din akong i-invoice. O, diba? Ano ko pang gagawin?
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in.
9:45, tapos ko lang mag-vacuum. Namatay na yung ating vacuum, kaya ayan, need ko siyang i-charge. And mag-i-edit muna ako para may vlog mamaya. Salita ko ng salita, hindi pala naka-on. Inon ni Jan yung, ayan, inon ni Jan yung aircon kasi sobrang init. And naglagay din siyang tubig sa fridge. Naglagay din siyang tubig. Yan, naglagay siyang tubig dyan. And yung ating roast, check natin. Mag-aalas 12 na ata. Oops. Uy. Ang bango. Hindi. Naririnig nyo yan? Nagsisisling siya. Tingnan natin yung veggies. Oops. Mukhang okay na to. 11:57 na pala, guys. And today's February 3. 11:57. Okay, check lang muna natin to. Ready? Pag may blood pa, hindi pa siya luto. Ay, parang clear na siya. Takpan ko na lang to ng aluminum foil para maluto pa. Asan si... Oh. Ay, hindi. May dugo pa. May konti pang dugo. So, ibalik natin siya. Ibalik natin ulit siya. Pero pang ang sarap niya ng ano, pusitin. Ay, lag na muna. Pigilan ng sarili. Mag-aalauna na. Kunin na natin yung ating roast beef. Ooh. Ayan na siya, guys. Okay na to. And then yung ating veggies. Lumit na yung veggies natin. I-cover ko ito ng aluminum foil. Pero, ito. check ko ulit siya. Oh my God. Ayan, clean na siya. Wala, ang lambot. My God. Ang gusto kong naglalaway ako. Wala pa akong kain. Wala pa tayong kain. Kahit yung mga drinks na iniinom natin, wala pa. Uy. Si Jan, umalis. Ayan siya. Sarap nito may gravy. Nilipat ko na siya sa malaking plate. Nilipat ko na siya dito. Umaga ano to? Oops. Ayan. Ayan. Sarap ng dinner tonight. Ito ang first roast beef natin for this year. Takpan lang natin. Ibang juice niya dito para sa gravy. Ito din pala. Magtimpla ako nitong hormonal imbalance ng Wellness Whispers. Pangatlong araw ko na to na iniinom. So, ayan. Yung kanyang flavor is banana melon milk. And iinom pala ako ng aking meron din ako ditong iniinom yung ito ba? Yung collagen. Ito yung Sip to Glow. So, inom din tayo nito. Pagsabayin ko na yan. Unahin ko to. Masarap to din. Ito is passion fruit ang flavor. Dito na pala ako nakapark sa school ni Holly. 3:02 na. So, maya-maya nandito na yun. Ang init dito. 31 degrees outside. So, hindi ko na pinatay yung aking sasakyan para naka-aircon tayo. So, ng baby girl natin. Dinalan ko siya ng short na black kasi required sa kanila yung black na leggings. Sobrang init. Sabi ni Holly, kung pwede siya mag-short. So, mag-shorts lang siya. Tapos, etong top na nabili natin. 3:45 mag-start yung first dance niya. And nagdala ako ng malamig na tubig, madaming ice. Brinash ko yung lens kasi may alikabok. Pati yung screen. Para yan dito sa car. Sa pinsan ko to, nung nagpinas kami, nakita ko to sa kanya, sabi ko akin na lang yan. Pang sa car. O, diba? Kita niyo yung alikabok. Gusto kong bumili ng pang mount dito sa car para nakaganon kayo guys. Oh. Hanap ako sa Amazon. Nandito si Holly. Hindi ko alam kung makikita niyo, but malapit na siya. Ang bigat ng bag niya. Kita niyo ba? Dadaan na siya. Nasaan na? Ayun. Hi! What took you so long, Baba?
I can't. It's so hot and my bag's a little bit heavy. I
Oh,
have my homework, my books. I
Oh.
have to do homework tonight.
that's right. Oh, it's alright. I said, why it take you so long? Usually you're already out. You're 10 minutes late. Okay, put your bag down, please.
I have my drink bottle for dance.
Yeah, you still have water?
Yeah, it's cold.
Okay, that's good. All right. Put your seatbelt now, please.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's
Put your
mine.
seatbelt. Lagay niya yung aircon niya.
Your lipstick smells good.
May lip tint.
Yeah, lip tint. Smells like cherry.
Yeah. Ang init. Come on, hurry up, baby.
So hot. We couldn't go outside at lunch because it was too hot.
And then, did you still went out?
No.
Slow down. Dito na pala si Holly. 5:48 na. Punta lang kami saglit sa coast. May mga kukunin tayo.
Quick shop.
Come on. Drink water, Baba. Ang sobrang init.
I did.
Oh. Okay, get the cupcakes.
We had that.
You want blueberries?
Oh no, that's big one. Should get banana and blueberry.
Okay.
We also need the cup.
Walang lettuce na yung nasa bag. Okay, they don't have.
There's
Okay.
lettuce there.
Where? Yeah, but no, the one in the bag.
Mom,
Okay, yeah.
can we get two?
Yeah, cucumber. And then I need another cucumber.
The big one.
This one, Baba. Come on. Kuha tayo kamatis. Thank you.
Andrew, store picking up next to the States by Pine Place, and ready to the States by Pine.
Baba. Ang mini.
Wait, Mom,
Huh.
strawberries, because last time they didn't have strawberries.
Here, strawberries here. But it's not good, baby. Okay, find some.
We like these ones. This one?
Nah. Okay, this one.
Go on.
One more. Okay.
Good one?
No. This one. Okay. No. Kailangan mo try siyang
This one.
Sure, okay. Blueberries. They don't have blueberries. No blueberries. Yeah, but last time you didn't finish. Blueberries. Here. Walang blueberries. Blackberries na lang.
Yeah, I also have blackberries. I love blackberries.
Okay. Mildura, mango, orange.
This one?
Yeah. Ulit na. Can I have salmon, please? Yes, 2 of them, please. Thank you. Yeah, 100 grams of gypsy ham. So 180 grams na instead of 100 grams, 180 na lang kasi nasobrahan niya sa okay lang. And kuha tayo ng smiley frites.
Do we have gypsy?
Thank you. Have a good night.
Okay.
Thanks. Okay, let's go, Baba. 3 cupcakes.
Where are they?
I'm not sure. It's not here. Maybe it's gone. No, I don't think so. They have Baba. Yeah, Lamingtons. Okay, get one.
But a dad not steal and they go to school.
I want this one. Get the boys too. Alright. What else?
It's one that are like, they're kind of like a salty popcorn.
Yeah.
The triangle.
Yeah. Your chocolate mo.
Can we get strawberries?
Yeah. How about chocolate? The boys wants chocolate. Get 1 chocolate and 1 strawberries, please.
One strawberry and one chocolate. This is the last chocolate.
Get me this one. Get me 2, please. Yeah. That. Thank you. Alright. What tayo nito? High protein granola choco almond. Okay. One. get 2.
That would equal 10. Look at these, the crackers are really good. I tried them at Kindy and they're so good.
Alright.
I love them. They're a little bit salty.
Walang siya ng toilet paper. Ayan, tapos na tayo dito. Yung mga kinuha natin. Snacks nila, pambaon-baon.
It's a long receipt.
Okay, let's go. Okay, uwi na tayo. Gutom na yung mga boys.
I'm starved.
You're starving too.
I can't wait to go home and eat.
Bahay na kami and nakaligo na si Jan. Hiwain ko na to. And nakita nyo yung fats. Ayan yung oil. Tatanggalin ko yan. Kukunin ko lang yung yung block na yan. Tapos lagyan ko ng water and gravy. So ayan lang yung nakuha natin. Yung flavor lang talaga ng ating roast. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng tubig and gravy. Ayan. Nalagyan ko na siya ng gravy. Ma-microwave ko lang to. Ayan. Still warm. Mainit pa siya.
Oh, do you know the boogie board?
What?
Oh, do you know we went to base?
No? Did you?
Yeah, we went to base.
Today?
Yeah, after school. And then
Nag-beach daw sila after school. Ayun si Kuya. Nangunguna na si
like
Kuya.
before it broke, I went in it. I tried diving under it.
That's how
And
you
then
got
it pulled me
scratched.
back. And then the thing where
With who?
after broke. And then I hit that and then that was the one for the last. Dad came right.
No, that's Dad's play. I
That's
got
right.
that one for Dad's play.
Yeah.
I said grab that, Holly. Trolley. Holly Quolly. Holly.
Wait for the gravy.
Golly. Trolley. Holly. Trolley. Zolly. Holly.
Sorry, stop.
Jolly. Slow down. Please. Please.
Yeah, I heard you, Holly. Si Holly ayaw niya ng gravy.
What is I want? Don't want. Yeah. Thanks. Oi.
Okay, babe. Ay, not yet.
Oh, come on!
Si Jan gutom na.
Why can't he rip up?
Yeah, Jack.
Where's Jack go? Where's your vegetables, Jack?
Oh
You're
yeah.
going to be strong like me if you
I
don't eat vegetables.
thought I was like, where's something's missing? You know what? I need to use this.
Is this enough, babe? Or more?
Fatty.
Still warm.
I know, it's still warm. Because I wrap it. I wrap
You
it.
think you can have the whole thing, eh?
Where's Grandpa?
She doesn't
She's
want gravy.
picky. She's picky.
You want that? Hindi pa siya tapos. Pero, ayan na yung kanya. Ay, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan kay Johnny Boy. Ha? Fork. Okay, kain na sila. And ako, magpo-put away ako ng mga pinamili ko. Knife. Ginagawa niya na pala yung homework niya. Tapos na siyang kumain. Nakadalawang plate siya. Ako, eto.
Please record and child.
Time check is 8:06 na, guys. Hindi na ako nakatayo dito sa aking upuan. May M&M's na ako.
Done, Mom. Have one, please.
Kasi nagawa kami ng homework ni Holly. Tapos na siya. Math yung kanyang homework. Ayan. Tapos na. And kumakain sila ng lamington. So, yeah.
Thank you. I'm done.
Okay, can you close the vlog na, Baba?
Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and see you on the next vlog. Bye.
Thank you, guys.
Right there.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.